Curious about the fuse box locations and diagrams for the 2025 Dodge Durango? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse box easily. Underhood fuse box. The 2025 Dodge Durango Underhood Fuse Box features various high amperage fuses for critical components, including the engine control unit, HVAC, and fuel system. It ensures protection for power accessories, such as the alternator and air conditioning. The fuse box layout prioritizes easy access for maintenance and troubleshooting. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.